Good morning. Today is Friday, time in Sydney, Australia. Right now, as you can see on the corner here, is 6:38 a.m. 16th of June 2023. This is the part 2 regarding the forecast we did for the pound Japan. This is part 1, and what I am doing now is part 2, and I'm gonna upload it very soon. So 23 hours ago we announced for the pound Japan, and we say where the market is heading. Before I say anything, in the name of who, please pause the video and read this disclaimer, and then I go back to the chart and I explain to you about the pound Japan. First of all, I have to show you this. We had a screenshot of pound Japan. Let me bring that screen up for you, just 1 second. Okay, this is the screenshot that I did yesterday when I was explaining about the direction of the pound Japan. If you go to this video clip, I show you this. If you go to this clip, which I uploaded 23 hours ago, I did explain about pound Japan and the location and everything. What happened was that we say, because the asking price and bid price, this blue and red horizontal line are apart, we do not enter to the market because it's the beginning of the section Asia market opening, and market is volatile and it might go up and down and things like that. I said exactly what I am saying now. You can watch that video I explained to you. But the market went actually against us. I show you this. When we entered to the market, I was saying that we are waiting for the arrow. The arrow is not, it's very important to enter to the market, but there is so many factors we have to actually consider. If the asking price and bid price are apart from each other, we do not enter to the market. It has to be on the top of each other, so you pay less commission. And then when we enter to the market, we find the closest resistance, which wherever it is close to that arrow, and then 10 pip above that we put the stop loss, and then if the market hit the stop loss, then we will wait for the recovery. These are the way we actually do the trading. I did not enter to this trade, but I want to show you, if I did enter, how I would recover for the loss. Okay, because market went against us. I show you this. Before I do it again, I show you the screenshot that I did. The screenshot we did, it was here. Okay, we got the arrow at the beginning of the day, and I have said to you before, because asking price and bid price was apart, I did not enter to the market, and market went up. So we suppose we enter to the market here, which I did not. Okay, so closest resistance to this arrow is this here. So we put 10 pip above here, and then we enter to the market for this level. So if market went up and hit my stop loss, I have to wait for the recovery. Last night when I look at the chart and I saw the market went up all the way, and I got another level which is here, and I got a screenshot, and I said, okay, we can enter to the market here for recovery, if I did enter to this trade. But again, I did not have any arrow, but I got a screenshot, and I was waiting for the arrow, and then I closed the computer and I went to the bed. So what happened was, I got this morning I wake up and I show you this, and I got a screenshot. So last night when I closed the computer and I went to the bed, so we got the arrow here. If I was at the computer, I probably would enter to the market with a 10 pip above, because I don't have any resistance area around here. So this candlestick which we have arrow, so 10 pip above this we put a stop loss, and we go for the recovery for this level that I find it earlier. So I got a screenshot of that. I show you this. That was the screenshot for this level. So that was for the recovery. And now I go to the chart and I show you this. Okay, and now this morning when I wake up and I saw it hit the level that I expect, and now the market is heading to this. We go to this chart, real chart, and this is a live chart now. As you can see, I give you put the level for you guys. I'm not going to enter to this trade, just for the education. We do this. These are the level market would come eventually. Actually, I have to mention this. Market has to come because this hidden support and resistance is very strong, and it's got the gravity. We pull the price eventually next week sometimes, or maybe today, I don't know. It will come back and hit this level. But as I said to you before, when we enter to the market, when we got the arrow, we find the closest resistance, 10 pip above, we put the stop loss, and then when you hit the stop loss, you lose only around 10 pip, okay? But for the recovery around this area, you probably would get about 70 pip, okay? So minus 10, so you got 60 pip in profit. So the market would come back and revisit this area again, sometimes today, and next week hopefully would come and revisit hit this level, because the gravity of those levels are so strong, and we pull the price down, because these are the hidden support and resistance which market maker, they have eyes on that. So that is only for education and information that I explain to you about how we do if we hit the stop loss, just for the recovery. So if you are interested to learn how to trade, please go to this video. So we have since 2 days ago, I think I already have 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 clips. So out of all 6 clips, only this one did not came true, but I show you how you can actually recover your loss if hit the stop loss. Because in market, in trading, there is nothing 100%, of course, because there is a red mark, red news, there is a lot of things that might happen and market goes against you. But if you do not know how to trade, you better go to the casino and put on the red and black, because you have more chance to win, as I always say this one. But if you analyze the chart, and if the price goes above the location that you want and you hit the stop loss, it's okay. You can actually recover after you analyze again. The same thing here, and the market went up, hit the stop loss, you lose only 10 pip, and then I find another level, and we could actually recover for that loss. So another things I show is Canada, Japan. Okay, Canada, Japan, as you can see, market is here right now, and eventually would come back and hit this level of the 105.693. This is just for forecast for Canada, Japan, and this is live chart. As you can see, market is moving, but it's very slow because New York is going close in a matter of 50 minutes, and then Asia section would be open on this area, and then market hopefully would come back. If we got the arrow here in this area of the opening, if I want to open the trade, I will find the closest resistance, which is this area 10 pip above this candlestick. I have to put a stop loss, and then we go for enter to the market for this level. How much is that? You have to consider this. For example, we imagine this candlestick from here to this is about 40 pip, and then your loss would be 10 pip, 13 pip here plus 23. So 23 your stop loss, and 40 2 pip for the, so it's almost 1 to 2 ratio. But what we should know that is this: we need to get the arrow like this around opening section, not exactly in the opening section, because asking price and bid price will be very apart from each other. And then if it's something like this, as you can see, almost going to touch each other, you pay less commission like that. Look, when it's like this, then you enter to the market. If you have a go ahead to sell, you have an arrow to sell. So then you put a stop loss 10 pip above this resistance, and then you enter to the market. So this is only education and information. I wanted to show you how you recover if you hit the stop loss, okay? Because nothing in market 100%, but you have to minimize your loss, and your gain would be higher. So in the name of who, please pause the video and read this risk disclaimer again before I go. Please look after yourself and your family, as I will say. I'm gonna close this video. Yahoo! Thanks for watching. Done. Finish.